Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Garden Guitar. The Weeknd, we are rolling his songs this weekend. He released new albums, so we have to grab a couple of these songs. Take Me Back to LA, that's the title of the song. Never been to LA actually, so perhaps next travel will be there. Anyway, let's go into this one with the capo set on the 4th fret. That's the best scenario for us. And we have 4 chords that rolls in the same way through the entire song. Love that scenario. Let's go into it. And we're going to start with C first. So that goes 3rd on A, 2nd on G, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have the A sus2 next. And that will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, open B, and open E. E minor, you just move up 1 string to get that chord, and that gives us open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And the next chord will be a G-D chord. So it will hold 5th fret on A, 5th on D, 4th on G, 3rd on B, and open E. I would like to avoid the last E string there. You can mute it with the finger using on the 3rd fret B string, just lean it on top of the E, or just avoid it with the strumming. So you strum in the middle here. All right. So that is a G-D, and that's the final chord of this chord progression. So let's go into the strumming, and starts with C. So we have the strumming pattern like this. Okay, so it's 2 downs first, and then a clap, then down and clap. So down, down, clap, down, clap, down, down, clap, down, clap. Okay, you're gonna play 2 of these per chord, and that's it. So C2, then A sus2, minor 2, and G-D 2. Alright guys, so there you have it, a gift from Garden Guitar to you guys. So I hope you enjoyed it. Take Me Back to LA, that's the title, and play tuned.